Hello, my name is Ryan Sun, and today I will be teaching integration by parts. The analogy that I came up with is integration is like solving a Rubik's Cube. It feels very challenging at the beginning, but with the right formulas and some practice, it will become fairly easy. This is the diagram I made. If your equation looks like the top box, the integral of u dv, then yes, you should use integration of parts. The next step is to take the derivative of u and the integral of dv. Once you do that, you will have two extra values, which are du and v. Now you have four values, and you could plug them into the formula uv minus the integral of v du. Then the last step is to solve for the integral of v du, and then you are done with the problem. Here is a simple example problem for integration by parts. At the top here is the general formula for integration by parts, which is the integral of u dv is equal to uv minus the integral of v du. Here is an example problem. The integral of 7x cosine x dx. You make 7x into u, so u is equal to 7x, and you make cosine x into dv, so it's dv is equal to cosine x dx. You then take the derivative of u, so the derivative of u is equal to 7 dx, and then you take the integral of cosine x dx. So the integral of cosine x dx is sine of x. Now that you have a value for each of the letters, you can use this formula up here. So u is equal to 7x, sine v is equal to sine of x, minus the integral of v sine of x and du 7. You then take out the 7 since it's a constant and put it in front of the integral. You then take the integral of sine of x, which is negative cosine x. Since it's minus a negative, it becomes positive, and then it becomes 7x sine of x plus 7 cosine x, which then you just take out the 7 and put it in the front, so then it becomes 7 parentheses x sine of x plus cosine x plus c. Here is a bit more technical definition for the same problem. You take the equation 7x cosine x dx and split it up into the u, which is 7x, and the dv, which is cosine x dx. The derivative of u is 7 dx, and then the integral of dv is sine of x. You then put it into the formula, so 7x sine of x minus the integral of 7 sine x, and then you apply linearity to the 7, since it's a constant. You take the integral of sine of x, and it becomes negative cosine x. Two negatives make the statement positive, so then it becomes 7x sine x plus 7 cosine x, and then the final step you factor out the 7. So then it becomes 7 parentheses x sine of x plus cosine x plus c.